Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the market's hidden engine. You know that feeling, right? A perfect trade setup just fails out of nowhere. Well, that's because your price chart is just showing you the effect, not the real cause.
To find that cause, we've got to start with one key idea: liquidity.
It's basically how easily you can buy or sell something without messing up its price. Yeah, think of it like invisible fuel for the market. And for the big players, it's absolutely essential.
The whole market is kinda a game over this fuel. Retail traders provide it, and smart money, they consume it.
These pools of orders form in really predictable spots, right around obvious highs and lows on your chart. So get this, price doesn't hunt for liquidity. It moves through it to find true value.
And what's the engine that burns all this fuel? Well, it's called order flow.
Order flow is this constant tug of war between aggressive orders that push price and passive orders that absorb it. You can actually see these passive orders stacked up in real time on a tool called the order book. But here's the catch. In a world of high-speed algos, can you really trust what you're seeing?
Nope. Big players use tricks like spoofing and iceberg orders to hide what they're really doing.
So you can't trust what they say they'll do, you have to look at what they actually did. Your good old candlestick chart? It just shows you the outcome, who won the fight. But what if you could see the fight itself? A footprint chart is like an X-ray of the action. It turns all that complex data into a simple story of value, aggression, and, who's winning. This lets you see the engine running, not just the car moving down the road. So, does this make you a psychic? Not quite. It's definitely not a perfect science. You gotta remember the main rule. Price is always moving towards what traders think is fair value. Liquidity and order flow, they're just the tools the market uses to go find that value. So what does this all mean for you? You stop just reacting and start understanding the why. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to keep watching the effect, or are you going to start looking for the cause?